What's going on, everybody? It's your boy General 315 back again. Another sneaker review video for y'all. And today we have the Jordan 4 special edition joints. We got the Zen Masters on deck for y'all to see. These are from my boy Trader Joe's. He sent these over for a review. And I just wanted to get these to break it down to you guys just to show you what it's all about. Apparently, MJ made these for, paying homage to Phil Jackson, when Phil Jackson was in his heyday, when he was coaching. And, they called him the Zen Master. So that's kind of what they went with. That was his nickname. And MJ just wanted to pay homage to his old coach by ingratiating him with the shoe. Trader Joe's, he blessed me with this one. He wanted me to do a review on these just to show y'all what type of quality and what type of shoe we're going to be getting when this one drops. All right, the retail I think comes out at the end of this month, or it may have gotten pushed back into April. I can't really say for certain, but at least I'm gonna give you guys a view of what we're getting. All right, now this is a UA shoe. It's for educational purposes only. It's not the retail. The retail will be out soon. I don't know projected resale prices, but whatever I find, I will put on the screen just for you guys to see. Before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Follow me over on that Instagram, and make sure you guys join the Discord. The Discord is growing. We got the Discord popping. We helping people find kicks. Make sure you come up on there and parlay with us, all right? So, Zen Master Jordan 4. I think this is a special edition. Not too certain, but the one thing I can say is that this shoe is wild clean. I mean, I really like this one. I love the hits of pink and purple, fuchsia. You got all of these hits, and I love that it's on top of a canvas. They've been doing a lot with this canvas, Jordan brand. And as you can see, the whole shoe is just different canvas material with that same like tie-dye kind of pattern on it. And it's kind of supposed to be look like a mesmerizing look, kind of like glitter or magic or whatever. That's the kind of aim they were going for when they made this Zen Master. It's supposed to be mystical and mystifying and all of that stuff. So very, very clean. I love the clear hits on the tag and the wings. We've seen that before when they've done that before. I love how they put the top of this shoe, the canvas material, on top of a bread style colorway outsole and midsole. I think that's dope. And I do love how they left some infrared hits on here too. So breaking the shoe down, we have some different patchwork here, some different colors. We got that canvas material, which is general. It's just canvas, y'all. It ain't nothing special, but it's just canvas. I would be careful wearing these in any environment where there's gonna be water. I would not like to get these wet. It just won't look good. And it's not gonna be a good look for the canvas material when it gets wet. You can try and spray this with some type of protectant. Maybe it might help against it, maybe not. You got the black cages here, black shoelaces, and they do come with an extra set of shoelaces, which is a purple color. And here is the purple color right here. These shoelaces come extra with it, and it's kind of got that same little purple mystical flavor to it, which I think is dope. You got that gray outsole with that black midsole. Got some of that white in there. And then the outsole looks like this. Very, very nice. You got that other hit of that infrared there, which I do like. I like how they didn't put the infrared on the back on this Jumpman and they left it black. I thought that was pretty cool. And it is lined up well. The height and everything is lined up well on the rear of the shoe. No complaints there. So they did a good job with that. Like I said, again, black laces going up, which I think look the best for contrasting purposes. I think the black does look the best. And then I love that tag right there. Looks very nice against that purple, against that pink. That looks good. Insole of the shoe is infrared. And we got our sizing tag right there. And this one says 629.21. So it looks like they've been thinking about this since last year, or since the middle of last year at some point, all right? So if I had to rate this shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I don't think a lot of people are gonna like this one like I like it. I think I like it because it's different. And a lot of shoes in my collection are very, very different from one another. I do have some classics in my collection. However, I do like getting shoes like this that just kind of spice things up a little bit. You can wear it with different things. So if I had to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, I would probably give it like an 8. you know, an 8. It's not the greatest thing. It's not wowing me. It's not blowing my socks off, you know what I mean? But it is something different, and it's dope, and it's creative. You know what I'm saying? As much as we get the same stuff all of the time, this actually impresses me to some degree. Construction of the materials used, I'd definitely give it a solid 9. Trader Joe's doesn't miss. I want to say this is an H12 batch or an LJR batch. I'm not quite certain. I didn't ask him. I just told him to send them, and he sent them over. But I can say that it looks very, very good. I can't wait to put these joints on. Let's go and do that on foot, y'all. If y'all have any questions, hit me up on that Discord. Y'all stay humble. Y'all stay blessed. Enjoy this on foot, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I've been absent. You know what I'm saying? I've been working a lot. I really just been trying to grind, man. I'm out here in the trenches. You know, nursing is crazy right now. And I just been real busy. All right, y'all. Here we go again. Another video. This is the second of 4, or I can't remember if this is the second of 4 or whatever. Anyway, the main thing is we got the Zen Masters on deck, all right? Zen Masters out in the real sunshine. Like I said, it's windy out here, so apologize for any noise. But these are crazy. I really like these. You got your canvas material, you know what I mean? You got your hits of purple, fuchsia, light Bordeaux, whatever Jordan called it. You know what I'm saying? These are clean. You got your Bordeaux laces, your light Bordeaux, or whatever these are. Got some tie-dye vibes in there. Let's jump into this on foot. You know what I'm saying? Let's jump into this on foot so we can keep it pushing. All right, y'all, on foot is done. We did it. We did these joints. These are super clean. I would suggest if anybody wanted a pair of these, they should pick them up, because I think that this shoe will go rather quickly. I think it's like one of those special edition joints that'll go under the radar for a little bit, and then it's gonna hike up in price. That's just my opinion. So when they drop, I think in April they come out, I would say get a pair. Do not sleep. Make sure you get a pair. I'll see you on the next one.